So guys, I know that the holidays is over and the vlogmas is over and everything, so we are getting back to our regular program, which is, I'm not sure if we're going to do 2 videos or 1 video per week. I'm not sure.
I think 1 video good for now.
Probably yes, probably 1 video is good for now. So we just, it's raining. It has been raining from yesterday, so we can't go anywhere. No, Florida weather is bipolar. So it's been raining. So when mom Xavier said that he's going to make some soup, I'm like, yeah. We haven't made soup in a while. When I was pregnant, I used to drink soup like all the time, because it was the only thing I could keep down, I should say. And now we hardly make soup. So he said that he was gonna make some today, and we got some corn from Belgrade. So it was perfect. So, you know, the New Year's and everybody always like, you know, put stuff together and clean up and everything. So I'm going to do our cleaning. I'm not going to have like a lot to clean, because as you can see from the vlogmas video, I do clean a lot. So it's not going to be like this huge spring clean or this huge deep clean or whatever, but I'm still going to clean because you have to clean up. So I have the garbage, I think I have the garbage can to wash. Well, Xavier have it to wash, so that's that. Yes. Okay, so I have that to do, and you know, clean up the place, make the place fresh and for the new year, new space, new mindset, everything's just new. So that's what we're going to do. Get rid of the Christmas vibes and into your new vibes and regular program. So that's what we're up to. Guys, Xavier is making soup, pumpkin. You know, on a Saturday in a Jamaican household, soup is definitely a staple. So I have you already put pumpkins in the pot. This is some chicken, and this is Irish and carrot. Guys, I'm have corn in the pot. This is the corn. So I'm don't put the chicken in there because the corn kind of take long to cook, and I don't want the chicken to cook out in the, well, mash out in the pot, I guess. But this is it. Put some pumpkin in there with corn. Yeah. Huh? Okay.
Just never you want them. No, you want them cook out.
So I gotta put in your chicken and
Take a, you know, every time when I cook soup, chicken always cook out. You know why?
that look like a lot though.
Yeah. We need a big soup pot, man.
I think that part is fine.
Oh, we need a big soup pot. There's more food in this pot than soup. The soup? Pumpkin soup? Mic check. Mic check.
Guys, I am going to season up the pot. Add in the noodles. We are using these cock soup, the Caribbean Dream, because it's hard to find the, what other one you know?
Like monkey cock soup?
Yeah, it's hard to find that one here where we live. We'll mostly find this one, Caribbean Dream. The only way we'll find the other one is if we go to a Caribbean store, and it's kind of
it's
far.
at Food Town.
And that's kind of far from here. So we're gonna use these. We already have pumpkin in it, so we're gonna put one of these which is the pumpkin soup, and 2 of the cock soup. So these are what we are using. We need to go food town and like get all the stuff there. What do you think, dear?
I mean, one of these weekends.
One of these weekends, because it's far. By the time we drive and come back, the day just done.
Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like with going.
Yeah, because it's not close by.
Even going to Lauderdale.
Yeah.
It's like once you drive down there, by the time you
come, the day
finish
is
shopping and get back, the day is almost done.
yeah, it's almost night time because we live so far.
The only thing this soup is missing is pepper.
Scotch bonnet, and that is something that we don't see
no Scotch bonnet pepper.
We don't see Scotch bonnet. Like we buy pepper at Walmart, but are like wherever we shop at the time, but it's not the same.
I think we gotta go to Presidente
and Food Town or go Lauderdale, which is far from us. Alright, so I'll add the 2 cock soup and 1 pumpkin soup, and I'm gonna put some tilapia mama.
That's a substitute for the Maggie season.
Yeah, because we don't have no. See why we need to go Food Town and you know them Caribbean place, because I don't have any Maggie seasoning. I've been using Tilapia Mama seasoning and other seasoning like chicken bouillon and stuff like that.
The only thing I don't like with the Tilapia Mama season is like there's 2 versions of it.
Yeah, and one is very soft.
Is really soft.
This is the only Maggie that we have. These bouillon these cubes, flavor bouillon. These are the closest thing we have. And this is how they look.
Well, it's better than nothing.
Well, listen to them. Well, once we went to Presidente and saw Maggie season, and from that we never see it back. Remember me keep on telling like, hey, it is in there, but we never see it back. It was only one time we see it.
Man, I'm looking at that pot. I think we need a soup pot.
Soup pot?
Yeah, by the time you make that soup, we drink a little bit out of it, it's done.
But we don't need a lot.
I mean, we don't need a soup pot like we're cooking for a dance or something like that, but
this is garlic seasoning. Garlic powder.
Okay.
From the other day, I told Exhibit to buy some pimento. And every time,
keep on forgetting.
Forget. So now we don't have any pimento to put in the soup. But the soup looks very good. I am afraid of putting the salt in here because you know the Slappy Mama season I
put some salt in it before.
You put some salt in it before?
Yeah. So taste it and see.
I think it needs a little bit more.
Really?
Not a lot. I think that's okay. I think that's okay.
Well, yeah, so what's your mother now?
Because Zaya is eating from this pot, we can't use a lot of salt.
You have to cook with a lot of salt, man. You okay?
Because she's getting some of this. She's getting the carrot. She already gets some pumpkin. She's getting the carrot and like piece of the chicken, piece of the Irish. You know, she's getting her little dish. She's a big girl now. All right, so it look kind of rich there. I think it's okay. I think it's missing something, but I don't know is what.
Pepper?
Probably pepper.
I think it's missing something is going to be pepper.
Yeah, I think it's pepper. Hey guys, so this is how the soup is looking. Very rich. I love how rich it is. These are the corns, chicken, Irish. We didn't put any. You didn't put any dumpling in the video?
No dumpling.
No dumpling.
Just corn, carrot, Irish potato.
And the chicken.
Chicken.
And the pumpkin, but the pumpkin already cooked on.
Mm-hmm.
So we're about to dish some now. Zaya is taking her nap, so after she wake up, I'll give her some. But this is how it's looking, guys. It came out very good. You did good, babe.
Nice.
Thank you. So look nice. I hope it tastes nice. Only hope it tastes as good as it looks. Yeah, it tastes good. Tastes good.
One thing, drinking the soup, I'll make it sweat. One thing for sure.
That make it sweat?
Yeah, I got sweat.
That make it sweat? Well, the time can actually because it's a rain, so it's a good thing.
I don't even start drinking the soup and I'm sweating already.
But you, you were sweating because of the heat.
Man, you know, I don't have no hair on my head and I can feel I'm sweating right here already. Soup tastes good. Should I put some dumpling in there?
Tastes good.
Dumpling and
Man.
what's the other thing that I like? Not yam, it is
Chocho.
no dashi.
Oh, dashing.
Yeah. Dumpling and dashi missing from this. And some pepper.
For real, you can tell the pepper. Zaya's napping right there. Don't want to wake her up
Yeah, try my best not to.
because they're so loud and noisy.
Somebody gotta make noise.
Too noisy, man. Surprised me.
Soup. Soup. Thick and nice soup.
You rich man. I was a bit surprised.
Well, it fit the weather for outside too. It's the rain.
It's sweat for true, babe.
I'm telling you. That's what soup make you do.
But I'm not sweating like that.
Yeah, that's you. Soup make you sweat. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please remember to subscribe. I mean, we've been getting a few subscribers lately. You know, thanks to all the new subscribers and all the day one. But
We're very grateful. We're very thankful and appreciative for you guys for watching our videos and subscribing.
alright guys, so the soup was good. I thought it was gonna turn out good, but it actually turned out good. So that's the thumbs up. So we're gonna close this video right here. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.